In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for Pirate Ship and seamlessly connect your eBay store so you can start shipping your orders for less. This guide will walk you through the entire process so you can efficiently set up your Pirate Ship account and link it directly to eBay, saving both time and money on shipping. Let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to pirateship.com. Once you're on the homepage, click on the sign up button to create a free account. Enter your email address, set a secure password, and follow the quick on-screen instructions. Pirate Ship is completely free to use, and once your account is created, you'll have access to their discounted shipping options. After you've signed up, you'll land on the Pirate Ship dashboard. Here, go to Settings, which you can find in the top or side menu. This is where you can adjust your preferences and connect Pirate Ship to your eBay store. Inside the settings page, look for integrations. Integrations allow Pirate Ship to work hand in hand with other platforms. Among the options listed, you'll see eBay. That's the one we'll be connecting today. Click on eBay and you'll be redirected to eBay's login page. Go ahead and log into your eBay account using your credentials. Once logged in, eBay will ask for your permission to allow Pirate Ship access to your store data. Make sure to grant the permissions, as this is what lets Pirate Ship automatically import your eBay orders. This connection is completely safe and helps automate your shipping workflow. Once the authorization is complete, you'll be redirected back to Pirate Ship, and your eBay orders will start importing automatically. You can find them under the import section in the eBay tab. From here, you'll be able to view, manage, and create shipping labels directly from Pirate Ship without manually entering any order information. It's quick, easy, and eliminates the chance of errors. And that's it. You've successfully set up Pirate Ship and connected it to your eBay store. Now you can enjoy cheaper shipping rates, automatic order imports, and a smoother fulfillment process, all from one platform. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my other tutorials for more e-commerce and eBay tips. Until next time, happy shipping.